Hey guys, welcome back to Gatler's Workshop. Couldn't stay away from the scroll saw for too long. We're doing another animal art. I have a friend that has donkeys on her farm, so I'm going to make these two cutouts and we'll see how it goes. Alright, let's get started. Thanks for watching Gatler's Workshop, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice night.